Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Apple Pencil top cap is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential accessories for any iPad artist or note-taker, a tiny component that plays a surprisingly significant role in protecting your valuable stylus and ensuring its seamless functionality, preventing dust and debris from entering the charging port and potentially causing damage over time, thereby safeguarding your investment and maintaining the pristine condition of your Apple Pencil for extended creative sessions and everyday use. Number 5. Magnetic Replacement Cap for Apple Pencil 1st Gen. Tired of losing your Apple Pencil cap? This magnetic replacement cap ensures it stays securely attached to the charging end. Never worry about misplacing it again. Designed to be the exact same size as the original, this cap provides a perfect fit for your Apple Pencil 1st generation. It's a seamless replacement that you won't lose. This cap cover tightly links to your pencil and its original cap. It prevents your Apple Pencil from slipping on uneven surfaces and protects it from wear, making it easy to carry. Crafted from high-quality, environmentally friendly PC material, this replacement cap is both compact and lightweight. It's designed to avoid dust absorption and is easy to install and remove. We offer a 30-day worry-free replacement or refund, along with 12 months of friendly customer service. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like. Never lose your cap again with its powerful magnetic design. It fits snugly and prevents dust from accumulating. If you're prone to misplacing small items and want to keep your pencil's charging port clean, this is the one for you. What people say. The magnetic design of the replacement cap ensures a secure and convenient attachment to the Apple Pencil. It eliminates the worry of misplacing the cap and makes it quick and effortless to protect the pencil's tip. The replacement cap is precisely tailored to fit the Apple Pencil 1st generation flawlessly. It aligns seamlessly with the pencil's body, providing a snug and secure fit. The addition of the silicone protective cap enhances the pencil's longevity by safeguarding the tip from dust, scratches, and accidental damage when not in use. Number 4. TITACUTE Magnetic Apple Pencil Cap. Never worry about losing your Apple Pencil cap again. This magnetic cap attaches securely, ensuring it stays put even with frequent use. Designed to work with a wide range of Apple Pencil models and iPad generations. It's the perfect accessory for your creative tools. Crafted from environmentally friendly ABS material, this cap is built to last. Enjoy durable protection for your stylus. Its mini and compact design means you can take it anywhere without hassle. It's the ideal companion for your Apple Pencil on the go. This replacement cap offers a 1:1 original size fit, providing reliable protection for the connector end of your stylus. We stand by our product with a 6-month worry-free replacement policy. Contact our customer service if you encounter any issues. What we like. This cap offers broad compatibility with various iPad models and generations. Its magnetic design ensures it stays put, and it's made from durable, eco-friendly ABS material. If you have an older iPad or need a reliable, long-lasting replacement, this is a great choice. What people say. They fit perfectly and the quality is the same as the original. Same look and feel as well, and the magnetic part also clicks in great to stay on snugly. Item is almost identical to the original. But it fits perfectly, same magnetic connection. Can't even tell the difference, it is a perfect fit and it gets the job done. Number 3. Tranesca Aluminum Replacement Cap for Apple Pencil 1st Gen. Introducing a premium replacement cap crafted from high-quality aluminum. It offers a classy look and a sophisticated feel, enhancing your device's aesthetic. The finely carved inner rubber slot ensures a snug fit for your Apple Pencil's Lightning connector. This guarantees it stays securely in place, preventing any accidental dislodging. Never lose your cap again with the specially designed anti-loss strap. It also comes with a bonus strap for your adapter, ensuring all parts are kept safe. Available in a pack of 3, silver, gold, and rose gold, these caps offer a perfect color match for your iPad Pro. Add a touch of personal style to your device. Rest assured with our 12-month product guarantee from Tranesca. We stand by the quality and durability of our replacement caps. Please note that this replacement cap features a rubber grip for the lightning connector and is not magnetically clasped like the original. What we like. Elevate your Apple Pencil with a premium aluminum cap offering a classy look and feel. It comes in multiple colors to match your iPad and includes an anti-loss strap for added security. If you value aesthetics and want to prevent losing both your cap and adapter, consider this stylish option. What people say. The replacement caps are made of fine aluminum of different colors and was exactly as pictured. The cap is a pretty snug fit and the anti-loss strap is indeed very customer-oriented. The anti-loss strap for adapter is another add-on bonus. This replacement cap fits so snug that it will not fall off and has an additional connector attached so you won't lose it while charging. It's way more efficient and effective than the magnetic cap that cap with my Apple Pencil. Brilliant and so sensible to keep cap and attachment connected and easily to be found. Number 2. Apple Pencil 1st Gen Magnetic Cap and Tip Replacements, 3-pack. Ensure your Apple Pencil 1st generation is always ready to go. These accessories are designed to work perfectly with your device. Experience incredibly smooth and sensitive writing and drawing. The premium material ensures wear resistance and virtually no lag for a natural feel. The replacement cap is crafted from high-quality, environmentally friendly PC material. Its strong magnetic force keeps it securely attached to your pencil. Replacing the tip is as simple as a twist. The cap attaches easily for charging and stays put thanks to its powerful magnetic hold. This pack includes 1 magnetic replacement cap and 2 wear-resistant tips. You also get a 30-day worry-free refund or replacement guarantee. We're here to help if you have any questions. Feel free to reach out to us for prompt assistance. What we like. This pack offers both a magnetic cap and wear-resistant tip replacements for your Apple Pencil. The magnetic cap ensures it won't fall off, and the durable tips provide a smooth writing experience. If you're looking for a combo pack to maintain both the cap and the writing performance of your pencil, this is ideal. What people say. The Apple Pencil top cap is a replacement part for the Apple Pencil. It is designed to protect the charging port of the Apple Pencil. This top cap is made of high-quality silicone material, which is durable and long-lasting. It is also soft and comfortable to touch. The top cap is easy to install and remove. It fits snugly on the Apple Pencil and does not slip off. Number 1. ZAGG Replacement Tips for Apple Pencil. These replacement tips are designed to work flawlessly with your Apple Pencil, whether it's the 1st gen, 2nd gen, or USB-C model. You can count on a reliable fit every time. Achieve smooth and precise control for all your writing, drawing, and sketching needs. These tips provide the perfect friction for accurate results on your digital canvas. Don't compromise on performance. These replacement nibs are a 1:1 match, ensuring they maintain the original accuracy and responsiveness you expect from your Apple Pencil. Experience a natural, paper-like writing sensation that makes your creative work and note-taking more enjoyable. It feels just like writing on paper. Enjoy a consistently smooth writing experience with these replacement tips. They offer the perfect amount of friction for effortless use across various tasks. Specifically crafted for your Apple Pencil, these tips ensure a perfect fit and optimal performance. They are available for 1st gen, 2nd gen, and USB-C models. What we like. Enjoy a smooth, paper-like writing experience with these replacement tips. They offer precise control and work seamlessly with all Apple Pencil generations. If you're a digital artist or a heavy note-taker who craves that natural feel and consistent accuracy, these tips are a must-have. What people say. The Apple Pencil top cap fits perfectly and securely onto the Apple Pencil. It provides a good grip and prevents the pencil from rolling off surfaces. The cap also protects the charging port from dust and debris. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.